Navigation is extremely important in SwiftUI. This is because you'll want users to go to different screens in your app. Currently, the latest and greatest way to achieve this is with NavigationStack. In this video, we'll show how it works by implementing it in Blossom Movie. We're going to start by seeing how buttons can drive navigation. In our app, we have a hero title showing on the home screen. The play button is meant to take the user to our title detail screen. Right now, the title is just static, so the first step is to show a different title every time the user opens the app. Since the app is called Blossom Movie, we'll use a different title from our trending movies list. Make sure you're inside View Model. Under Top Rated TV, add a line. Type var hero title equals title.preview bracket 0. This defines a new title called hero title. We initialize it using the first title in our sample data. By doing this, we'll have a fallback, and we'll need to unwrap it later. Scrolling down, make a couple lines after Top Rated TV. If flat title equals trending movies dot random element braces hero title equals title. This makes sure trending movies dot random element isn't nil before assigning it to hero title. We're all done here. Open home view. Delete hero test title with command delete. There's an error inside async image because hero test title doesn't exist anymore. Replace hero test title with view model dot hero title dot poster path question mark quotes. Poster path is an optional, so we do need to unwrap it. Just an empty string works for now. The picture will just be a progress view if nil. Press Command R to run. Nice, the title changed. I'll close and reopen the app to make sure it changes each time. Keep in mind, we're getting a random title from trending movies. Therefore, we might have some repeats. Step 1 is complete. Now we can get into the navigation. After we define our view model, type add state private var title detail path equals navigation path. Add state means the UI can change this variable. Navigation path helps us manage where the user goes in our app. I'll close the log. Now we can embed our geometry reader in a navigation stack. Make sure your canvas is open so we can use a shortcut. I'll adjust the canvas. Right-click on Geometry Reader, Embed, Navigation Stack, parentheses path, $, title detail path. Navigation Stack starts with your main screen and lets you navigate to new ones, kind of like stacking pages on top of each other. Path, title detail path tells SwiftUI which screens we visited, so it knows where to go and how to go back. Moving on, inside the play button action, we can put title detail path dot append view model dot hero title. This adds a new screen to the stack using hero title as the data for that screen. We do get an error because our title struct doesn't conform to hashable. To fix, open title.swift. After identifiable, put a comma. Hashable. Hashable lets Swift tell if two items are the same. This is required when using NavigationPath. Let's go back to home view. And the error is gone. We can close the canvas. The last thing we need to do is add a navigation destination. Find the closing brace of our lazy V stack. Make some space, dot, navigation, destination. Select for destination, title, dot self, tab, enter, title, tab, title detail view, title, title. This tells SwiftUI, when we push a title onto the stack, show the title detail view with that title. It's how SwiftUI knows what screen to show when we use data pending with the title. Hit Command R to test. Alright, our app is ready. Let's press the play button. Nice, it works. We can scroll down for the rest of the description. Our layout isn't the best. That's what I get for listening to the canvas and not testing. It's an easy fix. Open title detail view. Delete the negative padding. Run it again. Now press play again. Much better. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.